What is digital enterprise? Can you tell us more about this area of interest?
Yeah, so digital enterprise is an area of interest we built in 2016, 2017. So a lot of companies we were talking to were telling us about their digital transformation, and we decided to build an area that would effectively benefit from the digital transformation that they were going through. And ultimately, this really evolved into cloud computing. Everybody, I think, watching this video would understand how software in the cloud has effectively changed their life, whether they're using Zoom or whether they're using Xero or whether they're using Salesforce.com, for instance. And so this picture here really depicts how this industry has evolved over the last 5 years. What we're showing you here is the growth in software spending and spending in the cloud over the last 5 years. And you can see two bars. The bar at the bottom is what we call infrastructure as a service, and the bar at the top is software as a service. And so what's effectively happening here is large infrastructure services providers are building data center farms around the world to host things in the cloud. And then very clever companies are building software that goes on top of it that utilizes that cloud to effectively make your life easier. And as I said earlier, that could be as simple as Xero, or it could be as simple as Zoom. And every one of these companies effectively arrives in your business and does this thing called land and expand. You subscribe to it over a period of time, and as you subscribe to it, they slowly do more and more things that you want to do and become bigger and bigger. If we look at this next picture, you can see that the biggest winner in this whole space has clearly been Microsoft. Microsoft is a $2 trillion company today and essentially dominates this entire space and actually works between both these verticals, between infrastructure as a service as a cloud provider and also as a software provider. And I think all of us are stuck on some sort of Microsoft subscription today, which they continue to put the price up and add more features to. And so our next job is then to find who's going to be the next Microsoft. And so as you can see down the bottom here, you'll see a number of companies that have much, much smaller market caps, but are growing much, much faster and are slowly infiltrating their way into your organization. Obvious ones you'll know are companies like Adobe, Salesforce, and Workday. But some of the newer ones coming along that you may have heard of that are more at the back office of your business are things like ServiceNow and Atlassian. And so all of these companies potentially are an exciting opportunity to arrive in your business and to land and expand and become an integral part of how you run your business for the next 10 to 20 years. And from our point of view, that makes them wonderful investment opportunities over a very long time horizon.